Thanks, my friends.
Okay, look, here we go. It's recording right now.
I'm gonna name them
It's
all.
Yvonne, of course. Sammy. We got Jose, Short Missile, and we got Elizabeth.
I like how
That's Sugar King.
Sugar
That's our bartender. And that's Crayola, and I'm Lavender Spice.
I like how you said didn't say your name, but you said my name. That's not cute.
Okay, I'm Brina.
This is nice. Why?
Now, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to watch her right there go and be the human helicopter.
Here we go. Almost there. Take your time, everybody's going to be like, oh shit. Ninja skills. I gotta turn this on. Is it on video? Should I put it on video? Oh, okay, video.
Okay, if my video doesn't seem so well, hers is next.
It's not my camera though.
No,
It's
her camera. Yeah. This bitch.
It's like a watch security comes by. I know what you better do.
She's so serious.
You better do it on the...
Come on, you guys. I'm missing my link arm with Sammy here. Okay, where we're heading now is the escalator. Where she got stuck on her ass.
Oh, she can do it on top. See what happens.
No, dude, you'll fall. Yes, she will. She'll do it, Yvonne. Ew, look at it go. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, here we go.
Oh my God.
Here she goes in her magnificent journey.
Oh my God.
Dun, 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 dun.
Just do it, Bethlehem. And you'll get it.
You can do it, Bedlam. Come on, Bedlam. Come on, Bedlam. Get on the upper Try it one more time. As you can see, I did. Oh my God! Now tell me, how does that feel?
Freeze, Jesse. Freeze, Jesse. We don't need to.
And that was the adventure of our bartender.